Welcome to My Thrive. In this tutorial, we will look at form security. Form security is accessed in the menu under the Administration module. At the top of the Form Security application page, you will find two options for saving changes. The default is to automatically save changes. If this box is unchecked, then you will be required to click on the Save Changes button each time a change is made. Form security is role-based. Let's start by selecting a role. In this example, let's select the Maintenance Requester role. After you have selected the role, then you will need to select the form that you want to modify. In this case, let us select Maintenance. Scrolling down in the form options, you will find that work orders, in this case, are not selected. This means that the Maintenance Request role members will not have access to the work order screen. You will see that the work request application is checked as visible. The boxes on the left determine whether the application is visible to the role or not. Once the application has been made visible to the role, there are three security settings that can be applied: Insert, Update, and Delete. Insert means that new records or subrecords may be added to this application. Update means existing records may be modified and saved. Delete means that existing records or subrecords may be removed by the user. The blue checkboxes apply to all of the information that is located on the form. In addition to form level security, individual data field level security is also available. Field level security may be accessed by clicking on the Security button. The pop-up window will show you all of the data fields available on this form. For each field on the form, you will be able to change the properties to determine whether the field can be changed, is required, is read-only, or will be hidden on the form. Next to the Properties drop-down list, you will find an icon that is to toggle the visibility for all users. This button is global and is independent of the role that is currently selected. If the visibility is toggled off, the field will not be visible to any user under any role on this form. When the field is toggled off, you will see a red X on the icon and the data field will be highlighted in gray. Click on the button again to toggle the visibility back on. To review the summary of security for this data field for all roles, select on the icon for View Permission Summary. In this window, you will see all of the role IDs and the visibility and access level for the field. After you have reviewed the field level properties and made the changes necessary, you may close the window to return to the Form Security page. In addition to form security, you will also find opportunities to customize forms. The customization can be accessed by clicking on the Customize button next to the form that you want to customize. On the Form Customization window, you will notice the name of the form at the top and a list of the fields that exist on this form located on the left-hand side. On this page, there are 4 options to set for each field. Values entered in the default field will automatically populate in this data field when a new record is opened with this form. The value may be changed by the user provided that they have update security for that form. The Validate checkbox is available for some of the data fields. When the box is checked, a set of validation rules against the database are required. The Format option is available for numeric data types. Using the available format options in the drop-down list, you may determine how a number is displayed on the form. The fourth customization option on this form is the visibility of the data field. Visibility can be toggled on and off using the icon on the right. When the visibility is turned off, the row turns gray. Click on the icon again to turn visibility back on. Field customizations are a global setting. This means customizations will be applied to the form for all roles and users.